This statement is taken from DAWN News, being recorded at the rate of 80 WPM start. More than 100 shops were sealed by a joint team of the district administration and the para force during a major anti-encroachment operation carried out late on Monday night in Bawalpur's Faridgate and Shahi Bazar areas. Full stop. According to a district administration spokesperson, the shops were sealed on the orders of Deputy Commissioner Syed Hassan Raza after repeated warnings were issued to shopkeepers to remove encroachments, but compliance was not ensured. Full stop. He warned that strict action would continue against encroachers. Full stop. However, Shahi Bazar Anjuman-e-Tajiran President Mohammad Sabir criticized the move and termed it unjust, claiming shopkeepers had removed encroachments and sent CCTV footage to the administration, demanded immediate de-sealing so traders could earn their livelihood. Full stop. Dawn learned that a day earlier the deputy commissioner, along with para and administration officials, conducted a surprise visit to the area and noticed encroachments, prompting the operation. Full stop. Meanwhile, a private maternity clinic was sealed in Lodhran city on Tuesday for allegedly illegally running the health facility and quackery after a joint raid by the health department and police on the complaint of Deputy District Health Officer Dr. Asif Ali Rana. Full stop. According to the DDHO, a woman named Taslim Bibi claimed the clinic owner, Miss Ansar, was not a qualified doctor and was running the clinic illegally. Full stop. During the raid, a female patient who had undergone surgery was found, no qualified doctors were present and government issued medicines were recovered, while the suspect escaped and police said raids were underway. Full stop. In another case, a Bawalpur district and sessions judge awarded 3 years of rigorous imprisonment with a fine of rupees 25 million to Arshad Ali, proprietor of M/S Asuli Sultani Dawakhana in Khanpur Tehsil, for adulteration in allopathic medicines. Full stop. Separately, Uch Sharif police booked 6 persons for allegedly distributing an objectionable and obscene video on social media. Full stop.